Hey there, welcome to the channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today, Randy and I are going to have Hoppin' Johns for dinner. So with Hoppin' Johns, we're going to have cornbread because you can't have one without the other. So we're going to show you how today to make cornbread the old-fashioned way. This is Granny's cornbread. This isn't Jiffy. Jiffy was invented in 1950, and my granny never did like Jiffy. She wouldn't buy it. She said that was the stuff, the leftovers that they swept up off the floor. She didn't want nothing to do with it. So we're gonna make real cornbread just as quick. It only takes 20 to 25 minutes to make real cornbread. All right, you're gonna need some butter, an egg, some cornmeal, some flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and milk. First thing we're going to do is crack that egg. Make sure we don't have any shells. And then just give it a light little whip. Just mix it just a little bit. We don't have to make it fluffy. There we go. We're going to add all our dry ingredients to the bowl first. So we have 3/4 a cup of cornmeal, 3/4 of a cup, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup, ding, 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 I'm always dinging stuff, 1/4 cup of sugar, ding, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Going to give that a mix, and we're going to combine all of our dry. All right, just like that. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients. So we have 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of butter, okay, and we'll give that a little mix. Oops. Maybe I should have got a bigger cup. That'll work. It'll be fine. Okay, we're going to make a little well in our dry ingredients. We're going to drop those wet. And give it a good mix. And you just want to combine it. You don't want to over mix it. If it's got lumps in it, that's fine. Just like the side of the Jiffy box tells you, it's okay for it to have lumps. This one too. That's all we're going to do. It's going to look just like that. Okay, now this, I had it in the oven earlier, but it's already cooled off enough I can touch it. I put like 1/2 teaspoon of lard in each one of these to make sure that I'm not sticking. The last time I used my pan, I have no idea what happened, but they would not come out. I was running the fork around under there, and it was a mess, a total mess. I just flipped it upside down and used my finger and pulled them out. It was a total, still tasted good. I mean, wasn't nothing wrong with cornbread, but you sure wasn't buttering it. It was a mess. So I refired it, and I put that little bit of lard in it. We're gonna try it again. Here we go. And I'm gonna take this 1/4 cup, and we're just gonna drop a 1/4 cup in each one. And that leaves a 1/4 of a cup. And we're just going to go ahead and put that in there because otherwise it won't have as much as the other ones. All right. You know, it really takes about the same amount of time to make this as it does Jiffy. This one, you know, after you got all your ingredients, it's the same as what's in that box. 5 minutes. I mean, not even, you know. And then baking time is on the box. I think it says 15 to 18 minutes, whereas this one is 20 to 25 minutes. So whoopee, and it's so much better. All right, now we're gonna put this in a 375 degree oven for that 20 to 25 minutes. I'll check it at 20. If it's nice and pretty and golden brown on top, I'll use a toothpick. If it comes out clean, dinner is ready. Time's up. Look at that. Now we're just gonna let these sit for 3 or 4 minutes, and then we're gonna try to flip them out. Here we go. Ah, yes! Back to being a good pan. Sometimes your pan just needs a little oven. I refired it, and now she's back to perfect. Good pan, good pan. Now these really don't require a taste test, but we're gonna give you one anyway. I know my cornbread is awesome, but Randy really does like Tiffy.
Now Tammy wants me to validate her cornbread, okay? And she wants me to verify the fact that this is still 5-star.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can I get one?
Yeah, you can get one. Just grab one.
And
you need some butter.
Yeah, I need a little knife.
You just need a spoon.
I just need a spoon?
Yeah.
Well, then why didn't you do it for me? Why did you do just that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Slather it on there.
I figured it'd be better to cut over.
Well, you can cut it open, but
it's gonna fall all over the place. I better eat all that butter before it goes anywhere.
I'll get out of the way.
That is really good.
It's gonna be awesome, awesome in that Hoppin' John sauce. That's where it's really gonna shine for me.
Mm-hmm.
He puts pounds and pounds of butter on there. He can't even taste the cornbread. Gives him an excuse to eat the butter. It's hot.
But you know how I love to put my corn on the cob in a tub of butter?
Yeah.
You got cornbread, right? There you go. All right, I'm out of here.
We'll see you next time. We're gonna eat dinner. It's late. Bye. Like, subscribe, and share.
I tried to get her to do the Hoppin' Johns in the video, but she wouldn't do it. Bye.